Land of 1,000 hills, the sunrise paints the sky. From Kigali's gentle streets to volcanoes rising high. Gorillas in the mist, the heartbeat of the land. A journey full of wonder, come and take my hand. Welcome to Rwanda, beauty shines so true. Smiles of the people will always welcome you. From Lake Kivu's waters to Akagera's white plains, you'll carry Rwanda's spirit wherever you remain. Drums echo stories, culture rich and proud. A melody of unity, voices strong and loud. Tea fields roll like carpets green as far as eyes can see. Every step you're taking feels like pure harmony. Welcome to Rwanda, beauty shines so true. Smiles of the people will always welcome you. From Lake Kivu's waters to Akagera's white plains, you'll carry Rwanda's spirit wherever you remain. Adventure and peace walk side by side. In this land of hope, let your soul take flight. Every hill is calling, every heart is kind. Rwanda's gift of wonder, forever you will find. Welcome to Rwanda, beauty shines so true. Smiles of the people will always welcome you. From Lake Kivu's waters to Akagera's white plains, you'll carry Rwanda's spirit wherever you remain. Adventure and peace walk side by side. In this land of hope, let your soul take flight. Every hill is calling, every heart is kind. Rwanda's gift of wonder, forever you will find. Welcome to Rwanda, where dreams come alive. The land of 1,000 hills will always let you thrive. From sunrise to sunset, memories will grow. Rwanda is a treasure the world deserves to know.